Hey, loved one. So, I'm Dee Bryant, the creator and founder of WomanYouAreLoved.com. And I am so honored that you are here. You landed on this page because you know that there is something missing in your life. You know that there's something missing in your business. You know that there is something missing in your money. And the truth of the matter is, this is no accident. This is no coincidence. And it is absolutely time for you to do the work to get where it is that God has called you to be. Here's what I do know. The vision that God has given you for your life is so much bigger than you. It's not even just about you. It's not even just about how much money you're going to make once you really get out there and do your thing. It's really not even about that. It really is about the lives that you're going to impact, the lives that you're going to change, and the fact that God is going to be expressing His love through your life. But if there's blocks in the way, if there are barriers in the way, then how can He do it? Okay? He is not going to force you to do anything. He's not going to force me to do anything. It has to be our choice. And so here's the moment for you to get a chance to choose to do it God's way, to get all of those barriers out of the way, to get all of that fear out of the way, to get all of that doubt, all of that worry, all of that procrastination, to get all of that confusion and overwhelm and perfectionism and fear of what people are going to say and fear of people rejecting you. Get all of that stuff out of the way. Because you have so much more to offer the world. It's time to stop playing small. And so that's why I created this Money Mindset program. I created it specifically for Christian women because I've talked to Christian women, so many, and I work with Christian women now, and so many of us are still reeling from the things that mama and daddy and what they said and what they didn't say and all of the bad relationships and bad decisions and shame and guilt. We're still reeling from all of that stuff, yet we have a deep desire to serve. But I gotta be honest with you. You gotta do the work within first. Because even the greatest sales funnel in the world, okay, for the type of work that you've been called to do, it's not going to be as effective until you do the work within. And so this is the moment for you. It's completely your choice. But if I were you, I would take me up on the offer. So what I've done all the way at the bottom of this page is I've given you 3 separate options for you to go ahead and make that step for yourself. If you want to get access to all of the learning materials, the private support group, right? And even access to me so you can get your questions answered and all that stuff, then you need to go ahead and make the step for yourself. Because what else do you have? What else are you going to do? Right? Are you going to go back to just hoping and praying that things turn out right? Are you going to continue to wonder what it is that got you stuck? When really it's not in what you're doing, it's who you're being. Okay? So go ahead, check out the information below, all of the stuff that's included, how it's all set up. It's all listed below. There's no trickery, no gimmicks, no nothing. Okay? And in fact, if you ask any of my clients, they'll tell you I like to over-deliver. I like to over-give. So what I'm telling you is really just bare minimum of what you're going to get. There's so much more that I have in store. But it's only for women who are ready to step forward. It's only for women who are brave enough to really take the vision and the calling of their lives very seriously. 100% seriously. That's why the investment rate is the way that it is. That's why the payment plans are structured the way that they are, because I only can help people who are really, really in it, right? I got to know that you're serious. And so if you're ready, come on, join us. We're having our calls in just a couple of days. And so I would love to have you on there. I would love to hear your heart. I would love to walk with you. And there's other women in my community who would love to walk with you. They love to support you, all of your wins. And even when you feel stuck, you'll have a group of women who are on the same path. that will walk with you. They'll support you. They're awesome women. I love them. All right? So consider it. The offer is yours. It's open, and I'd love to have you.